So textbook notes are a lot easier than lecture notes because you are in control. And if you read your textbook correctly, your textbook does the work for you. All right, there's tons of cues and clues and all of that given in a textbook. It's just how you use it is what you're going to get out of it. So I want you to play I Spy, and here's how you're going to do that. Okay, let me just show you. So let me show you an example of a textbook page. It might be a little hard for you to see the specifics of what it's saying, but I don't even need you to see the words. What I need you to see in this instance is the color. When you do a first glance on this page or a first pass on this page, right off the bat, you see blue headers, subheaders. You see in red the header, Chinese Golden Age. You actually see the word porcelain, which is bolded and highlighted. And on the bottom of each column, you actually see something that says reading check. And both of those reading checks are a question. On the bottom of the page, you actually have assessment. It's asking you what key terms are, what key ideas are, what you have to think critically about. If you are not reading that first, this is telling you exactly what it is you need to learn.